Control arm down there. New control arms right there. Fluff, why do you do so many control arms? Are all Nissan control arms bad? Are they that bad? Let's talk about it. So I don't know if y'all notice, I do upload a lot of control arm videos. And that's because control arms, if y'all didn't know, control arms is one of the most abused components aside from your strut assemblies. When it comes to vehicles, they take all the bumps, all the speed bumps, all the dips, all the potholes, everything in the road. These control arms have to be able to absorb along with your spring and strut assemblies. We'll get to that in a second, but these are doing a lot of flexing, a lot of this, a lot of that, you know. These rubbers, right, they tend to dry out, causing them to rip and causing them to tear. And y'all know what happens when you get rubber and rubber rubbing on each other, right? Or it separates all the way through. It allows the whole control arm to do this and smack the top, smack the bottom. We have ways of preventing that. Well, from yeah, preventing that. Okay, so we don't want it so bad that, because once it gets to that point, then what is gonna be the next thing to wear out? Okay, because as you're accelerating and braking, this is gonna be moving around, forward and back, in and out. That is gonna end up compromising your tires and making them feather, and then you're gonna have a lot of road noise. You might have some pulling, you might have this and that. And to prevent that, also you need to be rotating your tires frequently. All right, when I was at Discount Tire, we recommended every 7,000 miles. Here, every oil change. It's just what the manufacturer recommends, and that's what we're gonna follow. Now here I have a control arm, and now we'll demonstrate some stuff. Okay, it doesn't look too bad, right? Y'all hear the creaking? That's from dry rubber rubbing on dry rubber. I don't know how well y'all can hear that, but definitely gonna cause some issues, gonna cause some noise, gonna cause excessive tire movement, and possibly some excess wear on the tires. Those tires are already feathering. So by replacing control arms, we're gonna prevent any further damage from happening to the tires, prevent any noise from happening, prevent any alignment issues. There's a lot we're gonna prevent just by maintaining or replacing your control arm bushings. Is there anything you can do to any make and model? Any make and model, guys. Every make and model out there that has control arms, most likely these kinds, they're gonna wear out, they're gonna tear, they're gonna separate, and they're gonna cause issues, they're gonna cause noise. It's not just Nissans. And so again, that's why we replace these control arms. And along with the control arms, they've already had tie rod ends replaced. But also, after you do these, perform an alignment. You need to perform an alignment anytime you do struts, tie rod ends, any suspension or steering item. Always perform an alignment, because that's going to get your tires true and straight to the road. Of course, tire pull, you want to make sure your tires is good as well. What else do we got? Oh, I also showed something over here. Okay, y'all see this? Y'all think that worm clamp is gonna survive? I don't know. They said, we're gonna get rid of the constant tension clamp. Maybe they got scared. Maybe it scared them, so they're like, oh, let's put a worm gear clamp on there. As y'all can see, it is wet. I don't know if it's still leaking or not. I don't think it's gonna survive. But let me get this vehicle back down on the ground. I gotta put the sway bar end links back into the struts up there. Slap the wheels on, and I got a little bit other things to do. Now coming up top, y'all remember I said something about struts? I don't know why I'm glitching, whatever. But I'm gonna take a look on the bottom of these. Y'all can probably already see right there. There's some bump stops coming apart, insulator coming apart. Oof, ooh wee. And y'all can see right here the strut mount. Do I still have some weight on this vehicle? I mean, on the lift. Let me see. Let me let it all the way down. Yeah, I had some weight on there still. So Look at that. Got the strut mount getting ready to be Bluetooth, guys. Look, on this side, through there, through that side. I can't even see the back side. And if we go all the way over here to the other, we got, oh, let me put some weight on it. Oh, yeah. It's just opening up. Look at that, guys. That thing is Bluetooth. Look at that. What in the world? So that's probably completely already separated all the way through. That's why it's splitting up so much. And it got declined. So they better not, just because I made a repair, they might associate the noise to the repair. No, you still have, or they still have some issues going on with their strut mounts. Try to sell them some quick struts, they didn't buy. So hopefully that doesn't become an issue and end up as a comeback. Right here, I do have to replace this match airflow. Did recommend to clean the throttle body as well. Extended warranty declined it. So guys, this is so much important too. You need to get your throttle bodies cleaned at least once a year, because if not, it causes funky idles, okay? Cause PO101s, causes some weird stuff, stalling and stuff like that. So don't, if your mechanic is recommending certain things together and says due to, you do want to get that done. So PO101 and throttle body cleaning go hand in hand. So I'm gonna get this done. I'm gonna get this through. Here's a couple bonus shorts at the end. If y'all like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn post notification bells on so you don't miss another upload. We are ordering some banners for the channel if y'all want to buy them. So yeah, let's go. I don't know what they were trying to do. I think that they were taking off-roading to a whole nother level. I'd say that thing done bottomed out. Not only does it need a pan because that thing is all scratched up, possibly crushing the pickup tube. Can we see any cracks coming from? Where's that fluid coming from? Oh, possibly right there. Yeah, I think we got a crack right there in the pan, dripping transmission fluid. But then if we back out just a bit, y'all see what I see? Do you see what I see? Oh no, the housing is cracked. Oh goodness, guys, this vehicle needs a transmission. Oh, one other thing, guys, it is not worth spraying and cleaning these out. As y'all can see, this is like a horn. Okay, so if you spray stuff in there, it's most likely not coming out. You got a PO101, don't try and spray it off, just simply replace it. Especially if you're a technician, you don't want that comeback under your belt. Comebacks suck. They are ego killers, they are morale killers, they are just not fun. And then you're like, I told you so, I told you so. Well, prevent a comeback, just replace the part. Be smart about it. Fix it right first time is a big deal nowadays. Why? I have no idea. For the mentally weak, no mercy. All I got is working. Never stop searching. Never